For me, money is the exchange of value, is a reward you get for the value you can offer. So for me, I see money as value. My name is Divine. I live in Lagos. Lagos is a very productive, you know, state. It's one of states where you like everything around you is productive. Everywhere is busy. Everywhere is just productive in Lagos. So in Lagos, you have this, there's this opportunity for you to be productive. You want to do something. So for me, Lagos is a very good place. I'm a very quiet and very shy person, and I love to spend most times alone. I don't like to be on the spotlight. In fact, if I'm on the spotlight, I tend to have this phobia. I can't say it's bad, I can't say it's good, but I just don't like to be in the spotlight. My daily routine is a bit very boring. I normally wake up around 6 o'clock or maybe 6:30. This period is when I wake up. The first thing I do when I wake up is actually go to my phone, check my mail, and see if there's anything there. And then say around 8 o'clock, I check my laptop to see if there's any possible trade for the day, or I will check for previous, you know, setup to see if it's formed already for execution. That's what I do. Then say around 11, 12, I go look for what to eat. Then after eating, I brush, maybe sweep the house, arrange things, and then go back to my phone. I could possibly be on my phone throughout the whole day, and I work from my phone. That's why I spend most time on my phone like that. I just go out to gym in the evening, go to take a stroll, take a walk, and see what's happening in the neighborhood. Then come back. I live alone in a one bedroom apartment, just me and my space, and that's all. I love to be. I'm more productive when I'm alone. That's why I enjoy it. And there's this peace that comes with you being alone. So I think that's the reason why I love to be alone and all that as well. So yeah, I'm a graduate. I studied biochemistry. The reason I'm laughing is because biochemistry is a very boring course, and I wonder how I even passed those courses and graduated. But it was very difficult though, but you just have to do what I have to do. Um, I chose trading as a career. So for me, trading is career, and it took me a lot of time to build a career out of trading. The last time I heard about trading was around 2016 or 15 years. Then when I finished secondary school, I had friends who had money because they came from a rich home, and I had friends who had money because maybe they figured out what they would do for themselves and made money out of it. So I met this friend that had money but came from a very poor home. I asked him, guy, what do you do? How do you get this kind of money? And he said trading and forex. I was like, okay. I went to do some assignment to figure out what trading was all about. So I wasn't taking this serious then. And then 2016, I went to the university, and then forgot about. I didn't forget about it totally. I wasn't paying that much attention to trading. I took school serious and all that. So around 2020, during the lockdown, that was when I picked up my trading again and started my trading very seriously. And then lockdown was like almost a year, so I spent those period of time figuring out what trading was all about. So the first time I actually traded a live account, I made $500 without knowing how I made that money. And then I stopped working. I stopped everything. I felt like I've arrived. You know, you just on your phone and made $500, and I felt like I made it. So I stopped every other thing that was actually putting money to my table and felt like trading is the life changer. So for me, after a while, I wasn't getting that $500 like that. I lost everything. 500. I lost the 500. I lost my capital. I lost the profits. I'm like, what happened? Like, why am I not getting this? Why am I not getting this result anymore? What changed? It took me another 2 years to figure out how I made that 500 $500. For me, trading is not about how far. It's about how well. Because there are people who are actually in this game for like 6 years, but yet they're not yet profitable. There are people who have been here for like 7 years, still yet not profitable. And also people who just came 6 months ago and then they are profitable and they're making a lot of money in it. So it's all about how well are you doing it, how you doing it, how well is it going. For me, for me, it's going really well because I've been able to figure out what I did that gave me that $500. I figured out that I can do it all over again. So for me, it's going pretty well. Life lesson. Hmm. Life is very tough, very very tough. You know, and one of the biggest lessons I've learned from life is that where you want to be, there's someone who's ahead of you. There's someone who's there already. So for you to get to that place you want to be, you need somebody who's already there to hold your hands and then guide you to come to that place. If not, you keep on making mistakes all over and all over and all over and all over until you give up. Yeah.